Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Raleno PS40 lighting kit. Thanks very much to Raleno for sending me this to take a look at. So let's see what's inside this parcel. In this lighting kit, you get two 20 by 20 inch pop-up softboxes with diffusers, two 85 watt, 5500 Kelvin daylight bulbs, two 26 to 78 inch adjustable lighting stands, and one soft carrying case to put everything in. Once you've collapsed all the gear and folded it up, you'll see it fits very nicely into the provided bag, which is small and relatively lightweight. Perfect to take anywhere you'll need it. Now here's a couple of things you should know about this product. According to the Amazon page, this product is convenient for you to carry wherever you go. So I thought I'd take it to the beach to find out. If I was you, I wouldn't bother bringing it to the beach. There's no mains power, so you can't really use it. But at least you know you can take it. Here's a quote from the manufacturer. It produces light closest to the sun's rays. This product comes with lifetime friendly customer service. With these softboxes, you just push the ring in and they pop up, so there's no need to put any of those annoying. The advantages of having a pop-up softbox just like this is there is no need to have poles like you get in tents, which takes quite a lot of time to assemble and it can be very fiddly. With these they just pop up into shape, which is very good. You might be asking yourself, what could this lighting kit do for my videos, my photos? You wouldn't believe just how much of a massive difference it could make to the look of your shots. This is Linda, my glamorous assistant, and she's going to demonstrate just how much of a difference a lighting kit like this one from Raleno can make to your photos and your videos. This is with the softbox light turned off. You'll see that the scene is quite dark and dingy and there's a lot of shadows. Now I've got my living room lights on, but the light isn't very well spread. So a simple kit like these video lights make a massive difference to your shots. If you're serious about content creation, whether it be video or photographs, a lighting kit like this is a very wise investment, and it costs just under £50 at the time of filming from Amazon, so it's not a huge cost at all. In my opinion, I believe this is a fantastic system for any budding content creator, whether you use it in photographs or in video. It's a fantastic product with premium features and great build quality at a really competitive price. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about. Massive.
Hey, hello.
Oh dear. Don't, oh no, not the microphone, no. No. Ah. Oh, ow. Get off me.